Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage Y, the office cleaner, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. His back hurt, a dull pain that never went away. He spent hours every night sweeping from left to right with long, loud brushes. The morning sun had silently appeared on the floor in front, creeping closer. On the 31st floor, the sunlight appeared before it did on the streets far below. The man stopped and looked out through the glass and into the distance. It was time to finish work. Questions. How did the man feel in sentence 1? Where is the man? How do you know that? What time of day was it? Which hours of the day or night might the man work? How do you know that? How did the office cleaner clean? Did the man work hard? Suggest a reason for your answer. Now let's check the answers. How did the man feel in sentence 1? Tired, in pain, or his back hurt? All good answers. Where is the man and how do you know that? Well, we could say that the man is in an office, or we could say the man is on the 31st floor of an office. It mentions that here. What time of day was it? It's morning. We know that in a few ways. It mentions the sunlight appearing. It mentions the morning sun. It also says that he spent hours every night working. And of course, he's worked until the morning. Which leads us to our next question. Which hours of the day or night might the man work, and how do you know that? Well, late night to early morning. And we know that because it says he spent hours working at night and stopped when the morning sun appeared. So when he sees the sun, it's time to finish work. How did the office cleaner clean? He spent hours every night sweeping from left to right with long, loud brushes. It mentions that in the second sentence. Did the man work hard? Suggest a reason for your answer. Yes, he did. We know that because his back hurt with a dull pain that never went away. He spent hours sweeping, or we could say he worked the night shift until the early morning. All good answers.